In this video, let us discuss about history command in Splunk. So, as name suggests, the history command will be providing the history of the searches we make in Splunk. So, in the SQL editor, whatever the searches we make, so those searches it will be showcasing as a history. So, this particular command looks very simple, but yet it is very powerful, right? Because we'll be getting the history of all the searches and all at a glance. So now let us see how to use this particular history command in Splunk. So already I do have my particular Splunk interface open. It has been logged out. Again I have to log in. So now if I sign in, I'll be seeing my prominent app, search and reporting app. I'll be going over there. And here, okay, so I can use the history command in the SQL editor. So while using this particular command, there is no need to give the index name, source type name like that. Whatever the default commands, okay, we will be using in a traditional way, we need not do like that, but we can always provide a pipe symbol directly, and simply you can always say history as the particular command. Okay, simply you can say history, and now simply you can search. For example, for last 24 hours, if I search whatever the searches I made in the 24 hours, last 24 hours, all those searches I will be having. See, 13 searches I made in the last 24 hours, all these searches it is showcasing. Okay, and if you see the fields, whatever it is providing over here, it is basically providing the timestamp prominently over here. Okay, and again it is providing the earliest time until latest time fields as well. So wherever it is applicable, okay, so it is providing the particular fields in epoch format. So you have to convert it into the particular actual time format, okay, by using strf time and all these functions you can always use, and you can convert into the particular time format and you can make use of the particular thing. And again, how many events are there, okay, event count it is displaying. Okay, so and again, is it a real-time search or an ad hoc search, it is also displaying that one. If 1 is there, it is a real-time search, otherwise if 0 is there, it is a ad hoc search. And result count, okay, so how many results are there, or events or results, that is one and the same. Okay, it is showcasing that thing. And again, the actual SQL query, whatever we wrote, even that is also it is showcasing. Okay, so it is showcasing that thing as well. And again, SID it is showcasing, and from which server we are getting the information, it will be showcasing. And again, the status, whether the particular search is completed or it is stopped in the middle itself, or it is paused, that information is also showcasing. And total run time, okay, so how much time it has taken in order to complete this search, so that information also it is showcasing. So all the useful information, whatever that is required for a particular search, all that information you can always find it from here itself. Okay, so if at all, if somebody asks you to build a dashboard, okay, based on the search history and all, then you can always make use of this particular information over here, and then you can build a dashboard also by making use of these fields and all, right? So this is the use of the particular history command. So again, if I go over here and if I search for all time as well, it will be showcasing all the particular history, whatever that has been done whenever I have installed the particular Splunk environment. Okay, this particular web interface, whenever I have installed, so from that time onwards, all the particular things I will be getting. If you see the count over here, 143 such counts are there. Okay, so that is the thing. For example, say if you want to test, for example, if a new command is there, okay, so for example, if I say index equals to some net underscore index and source type equals to some access command cookie, okay, and if I write a simple stats command, so let us check whether whatever the search we make, whether it comes here or not, if we do the history command and all. Okay, so stats count by client type, a simple stats command I am writing, okay, where I will be getting the counts of the particular client IP and all. Okay, so this is the particular search I am going to write. Okay, and if I search this one, I'll be having the results based on the client IPs. Okay, like this is the client IP and these are the counts, right? So this is the result. So now if I remove this one and if I put history over here, history, okay, and if I search this one, okay, so yeah, I have got this one, and also the thing that we have given over here right now, so pipe symbol history, even that also it has taken a search and it is displaying this as well, see. Okay, and earlier one whatever we have given, this is the particular thing. So with all the information whatever we have discussed right now, it will be showcasing all the particular thing, like that whatever the searches you make, it will be showcasing in the history and all. Okay, so this is the importance of this particular history command. But there is a catch over here in this particular command. The catch is that whatever the searches you make, right, only pertaining to the particular app. I am searching where? In the search and reporting app. So only the searches you make in this particular app, it will be showcasing as the history. Whatever the searches you make in the other app, it cannot showcase over here. You have to go to the particular app, there in the search, okay, there in the in the search place. Okay, so in the SQL editor over there, you have to give the particular SQL query, and then you have to give this particular query pipe symbol history you have to say, and then you have to get the particular results over there. Okay, this is the thing that you have to remember. Okay, so only in whichever app you are working, only the history, only that history only it will be showcasing. It cannot showcase the history of the other apps. Okay, that is the thing that you have to remember always. And again, this particular history command has a property as well, which is the events property. Okay, events equals to true we have to specify. So by default, events equals to false is the default one. You need not specify event equals to false. So if you want to specify, you have to specify events equals to true. What happens if I say events equals to true? If I search this one, so whatever the earlier fields it has provided, all those fields will be gone, and only the particular timestamp value and particular SQL query, the actual SQL query, it will be displaying only these two fields. Okay, so if you want to see only the SQL queries of the previous searches and all, then you can always say pipe symbol history events equals to true. Only the particular SQL query and particular timestamps will be displayed. Okay, so in this way you can always use this particular command. So in today's video, this is the only thing, and again with another topic we will be seeing in another video. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.